fresh food, y'all. Yeah, this is all homemade. This not from no restaurant. Homemade.
We don't call it
homemade.
Yeah, we told you about that.
Yeah, I had to make sure.
Oh God.
So yeah, if you're not editing the video, don't try to do none of that stuff, okay?
Girl.
Okay, so y'all, we made all this stuff, and y'all really like our first mukbang we did with 100 nugget challenge. That was kind of like a mukbang, but y'all really liked
now
it. So
I'm in it, so it's gonna be better.
well, Keiandra wasn't in, no?
Only me and Krista wasn't.
So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we even start eating and talking, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up.
Sorry, I don't like to talk.
Give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so.
Can't be big study.
Okay, so.
I blessed my food already. Because Courtney wanted to sneeze on people's food.
Okay, that's. And you spit on people's food while I'm trying to.
Oh, okay, that's too much.
So she sneezed on the food and you still eating it?
I blessed it. I couldn't throw it away.
So what y'all want to talk about? Let's tell them a story. I ain't got no story to tell. Oh, what happened yesterday? Let's just say that we almost died. Yeah, we almost died.
Yesterday in the store, my mama got mad at us because I pushed Krista. Krista pushed me into this.
Okay, so
yesterday I wasn't here for the thing because they would have just left me in my room and I would have been
that's
dead.
what I'm trying to get into it. Okay, so yesterday, I had a birthday. Stuff about the story before you started to get mad with me.
Because I had to explain why I wasn't telling my story.
Okay, so yesterday I went to put my Cheetos burgers in a microwave, and then it had foil over it and stuff. So I just placed the whole thing in the microwave because I usually do that with a McDonald's burger because they have
the foil paper, yeah.
No, because they have the little paper.
paper.
Yeah, they have like the little paper over it. And then so I just put it in the microwave, and then I was just like, it was just like I just seen red stuff, and it was like a fire and stuff like that. And I called. No, it was Courtney and Keiandra was in the living room. And then my mom, we were just calling mama. And like Kim, she probably would have been dead because we never called her.
Yeah, bro.
I was like, Mama,
I ran outside. I was about to call 911, but my phone is off.
No,
oh my God.
No, you can still call 911 with your phone off.
Oh, for real?
Yes. Okay. The only reason why I came out the room because they kept screaming, "Mama!" And I'm like, "What is going on?" I swear, I thought somebody came in and shot my mama. She fell. I thought something happened. So I ran out. The only reason why I started freaking out because I seen the door open. I thought she was outside or something. Then I seen that, and I'm like, "What happened?" I'm screaming, "What happened?"
But Mama, she real brave, and I don't know where we would be at. We probably would have been dead if it wasn't.
I would be dead if it wasn't
because my mom, she just like stopped the game. What?
How long you put it in the microwave for?
It was probably in the microwave. Wait up. I put it in there for like 30 or a minute.
Seriously, y'all, it showed they don't care about me. I would be dead.
Man, I was just screaming, Mama. I didn't know what to do. I ran outside. I was about to call 911. I was gonna let the fire sit there. I was just gonna call 911.
The thing is, if they wouldn't have been screaming my mama's name, I wouldn't have came out the room because they always screaming. So I would just be like, oh, they're just screaming. I would be dead. Seriously. My mama said she would have went back for me, but.
So I really thank God that Mama was there because we would have been demolished.
This place, we would have this place would have been gone, y'all.
I would have been gone.
The computer would have been gone.
But I'm sorry, y'all, because I started the fire.
Look, let me tell y'all my first instinct. I was at the computer. I was doing something. I think I was playing the game, watching shows, or watching YouTube, something like that. And all I heard was fire! Fire! And then I see Courtney. She went up in there and she started running out the door. So I ran up. I seen that fire sparking on that thing. I was like, and I ran outside. Like I wasn't screaming nothing. I was just like,
Because we was all inside and we was like, I didn't know what to do, like to go outside or to stay here because they was staying here. And then I was yelling Mama because Courtney was yelling Mama. So I was like, oh.
Seriously, y'all, I want to know what y'all would have done if Mama wasn't here.
I would have FaceTimed you. I would have FaceTimed you.
I would have been dead by then.
Everything that we worked hard for would have been gone. It would have been gone.
We would still had our phones. We could still do YouTube.
Good, my phone was right there. I'm sorry. Okay,
crazy.
Yes, I'm not about to stop. I'm not gonna press that touch that microwave, period. I'm not touching that microwave.
But Mama, she pressed the microwave and she stopped and she was like, everything fine or whatever. But I would have been out there with my little Bodie shorts on. And this is the project, so.
I want to know what y'all would have did if y'all would have all got out and I was still in here.
Oh my God, here she go. Oh my God.
I don't even know if even Mama asked that.
We just got to thank God at the end of the day.
That was probably the first one God said. Because y'all know I probably.
But at first I thought the pot was on fire.
Yes,
I was
I was
cooking
over there.
something. And it was already hot up here, y'all. It'd be so hot up in here. Especially the living room would be so hot. So it was hot, y'all. And even when Krista made the microwave do whatever she did with the
Caught on fire.
but it was even hotter. So I looked across
Why you
the
didn't go in your room?
I looked across the corner and I saw the pot. It was fine. But I looked at the microwave and I just ran. I was like, got a blast.
Why would she go in the cover?
No, I'm talking about if it was too hot. Why didn't she go in her room?
Look, I know that like when you in the living room and you walking towards the kitchen, you can see the stove. So when it was like fire, I thought it was something on the stove, but I didn't see nothing.
No.
When I got past this little wall right here, I looked at the microwave and I just seen sparks. Not sparks, like actual fire. Like I wish you could have kept that burger for proof.
Right.
Y'all would have seen.
We should have.
I mean, they know we not lying. If you put a Cheetos burger wrapper in the microwave or even a Wendy's wrapper in the microwave, it's gonna catch on fire.
Well, but I saw Kayla's face. She was looking like, is that real? Like she had her little buck teeth out. Well, not she ain't got her buck teeth anymore, but she had the two teeth out. Like, you for real? You for real? Like you like it was just so priceless and funny. But we didn't think it first because we thought we were gonna die.
Kayla, look, this said.
You for real? Wait. What did you say? When I said that?
I said, because you was like, it was like fire and stuff like that, and you was like, what? You for real? And then you had your little teeth out like you always do. You like,
This is shaking the table.
Shake the table.
Man,
I'm gonna say that one.
when they started screaming my mama's name, I ran, like literally. I dropped, my computer dropped, I was so happy it didn't break.
good? No, I was finna leave everything. Like, everything. I just would have grown myself.
I don't know how we would have did good thumbnails without the computer.
I would have.
I remember about the wrong thing. Where the heck we gonna live?
Right.
Exactly.
We was gonna be a
Man, I don't have no food.
But we should have been like after, you probably should have been like, man, we got.
We wouldn't have no
This
Jordan.
would have been a good story time. At least take a picture of the burger.
Cardi, you know how you feel about your 13.
Girl, I don't even.
Seriously, I was grabbing my Jordans, but I wouldn't have no shoes.
Girl, I was smuggling all my J's, my Vans, my Pumas, my clothes, all out the window. Baby, I ain't playing no games. All that money I just spent on them shoes.
No, but I
Almost every pair of shoes I got besides, okay, well, my brother, well, I'm not gonna say what he did, but he got me 2 pairs of shoes, and then my dad got me 2 pairs of shoes. Okay, so that's 4 pairs of Jordans. No,
they got
3
you
pairs,
right
3 pairs of Jordans. Oh, and I got some Timbs, and I got some, and some Uggs. So that's 3 pairs of Jordans, and them worsted and them boots, the 2 pairs of boots that they didn't buy for me. All the other shoes that I got in my closet, I brought that. All my clothes, I brought that. So, you know, I'm smuggling.
Let's do our thumbnail. Let's make it look like our story time too. We like.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta get something to drink. Sorry about the interruption.
You drink everything. That whole, y'all, show them that juice that you're drinking. That what you're drinking.
I'm drinking this.
by the end of tonight,
This drink gonna be gone.
From her.
from her, cause she drink.
She gonna probably, I'm not gonna say just her, she gonna drink 3/4 of it.
No, she gonna drink.
Everybody else gonna get 1 cup. She gonna be done had the whole half the jug.
Yeah.
Like real talk. That's all she do is drink. She needs to drink. That's the reason why she always so thirsty, cause she don't drink no water.
Never mind.
Y'all, stop getting
Nasty
those.
I'm just saying. It's not hard to drink water.
Mm-hmm.
And in the beginning of the video,
Especially in and especially when you like
I love water.
It be hot over here. You be like, oh my gosh, it's hot. I need some water. And you like, go.
When you get, seriously, this is the thing. When you get freezing cold water in the heat, it cool you off faster than like an icy. It cool you off for a little bit, then it make you even hotter.
Well, y'all, my finger feel heavy. My middle finger feel heavy. I don't know if it's...
You keep spinning on me.
I'm sorry.
You ain't gonna lick it?
Because it has some seasoning on it.
So yeah.
You gonna really lick it? Middle fingers up. Woo. Hold your hands out. Wave it in his face.
Dang.
Tell that boy bye.
Wow.
Boy,
No.
Let's talk about high school. No, we don't know.
Kaylin, I got a question.
Cause we said we was gonna do middle school advice.
I got a question, Kaylin. And Courtney told me this, but I don't believe this, what she said. If a boy asks you, what are we? What that mean?
Kaylin, tell the truth. Come on
Now,
now.
if a boy asks me,
What
how am I supposed to know
are
that?
That mean that dude got feelings for you.
And he tired of being in the friend zone.
Your boyfriend what?
I don't even think, like, when we first started our relationship, Kendrick ain't never asked me what. Oh, y'all don't have to bleep his name out. Well, no, y'all don't have to.
Everybody knows that's your boyfriend.
One day they're gonna meet Kendrick anyway. Kendrick is Caitlin's boyfriend.
He's so nice, y'all. That's my brother for life.
He's as tall as a tree.
Even if they break up, that's my brother.
But like I was saying, when me and Kendrick, like, okay, so we got together. It was a Saturday. No, it was a Sunday, right? When we had went to go see Nanny Katrina in the hospital.
How you know? How you know the day?
Because that's the day we were going to see Nanny Katrina in Houston at the hospital.
Oh yeah.
And it was February 18th. That was the
What else? I thought you dated him before that.
Yeah, me too.
No.
That
was talking.
Yeah, we were
but-
talking. So like I mean like it was just like, you know what, freak it, I'm gonna say. He asked me out. It wasn't no what are we? wasn't really talking for that long. Like, cause the crazy thing is when we first started dating, when we first started talking, it's like he wanted to talk to me before I knew he wanted to talk to me. So my friend told me, she was like, Kendrick say what up. I was like, who is Kendrick? The crazy thing is that me and Kendrick, we was already texting. Like, I never asked him his name. Like, for the longest, like, we was texting for like 2 days because he had posted something, and I seen it. Then he posted something again, and I commented, and I was like, you already posted it. And he texted me, hit me in the DM. He was like, why this name? So then we just started texting and all that stuff. So then my friend asked me, she was like, Kendrick say what's up, this, and that. I was like, who is Kendrick?
Oh my
And I was like, what's up to him?
Oh my god.
But yeah, so I never had that. Me and my boyfriend, we ain't never go in a relationship. We ain't never go to that. What are we? Stage show.
So what that mean?
I don't know.
Man, that mean the dude tired of being in the friend zone. He asking you out. But it's the hood way of asking somebody out.
You sound hood stupid.
No, I'm so for real, y'all.
I feel like that means, I don't know, don't take it from me, but this is just my opinion. I feel like he's just asking like how's our relationship? Like, I don't know.
So what am I supposed to say?
But like, my
I don't know, what are we?
I just want to be his friend.
You'd be like friends. That's why you gotta friend.
Y'all comment below if y'all know what that means.
Yeah.
And like all the say all different scenarios. He probably gonna see me eating and be like, I don't want her no more.
Oh.
Cause I eat next.
But y'all,
No, please
situations.
please just take a moment of silence for how like laid back we looking right now. Hey, I lean back. Let me stop, but real talk. But look, I ain't even do my outfit today. I got this shirt from Walmart, and I got these pants from Kids Foot Locker. They champion.
And I got this shirt from Walmart. Oh Lord. And I got this pants from Walmart. And I got this bracelet from Walmart.
Probably Walmart.
It's not even a bracelet.
It's Walmart treats.
Y'all, I actually got on some stuff today. This is Walmart and this is JC Penney's and this is some type of designer store up in Shreveport. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw that I was up in Shreveport.
It was not a designer store.
She tripping. That's a Shreveport Walmart.
No, it wasn't. It was actually on the boardwalk.
Shreveport Boardwalk.
Now y'all look at me like y'all defended Shreveport Walk.
Because it was a design. I don't know. It wasn't a designer store, but it was some type of store. We just forgot the name of it.
I think I remember. Something Wilson.
It was like they had high prices up in there. I think it was a designer store.
It wasn't. I'm telling you.
No,
Whoever wrote
they
that
had stuff on sale. They stuff is like.
And designer stores usually don't have sales. Huh?
Designer stores.
They do?
No, but that stuff was like $3 and stuff. Like
No,
yeah.
yeah.
Sale thing.
But they clothes was high.
These sandals was $5.
That jacket we looked at was $700.
Yeah, but they stuff was expensive though.
But these sandals was high. $5.
It's crazy how we can turn a whole situ, a whole little.
Like I was saying, just don't let people. Oh, and with relationships, I'm gonna tell y'all this about relationships.
That's like we had a buffet.
Shut up. I'm gonna tell y'all about this with
I just put my
relationships.
stuff right there.
Do not let people get into your relationships. Don't let your friend hook you up with nobody.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Because then if y'all break up or then she start. Now I'm telling y'all, the ones that hook y'all up with. I'm not trying to bash nobody. I swear to God, but the ones that hook y'all up with the boy, they like that boy.
No, but
And they gonna be like, I'm the one. They be like, I should have that boy because I'm the one that got y'all together.
Yeah.
And then when y'all get close, that's when they gonna want to try to break y'all apart.
no, but I feel like I'm using my face.
Go.
I was just gonna say, don't let your friend hook you up with somebody you don't know.
That's exactly what I just said.
Because
Don't
basically,
with somebody you don't know.
Yeah.
that's how it is. Then that relationship gonna fail.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. That's not always true. That's not always. It could win and it could fail. Because you don't know. Because some best friends will be the real ones. Like my Shantae, like Shantae and baby, you already know. I don't know if y'all want me to be saying y'all name, but y'all the only, in the Marlene, y'all the only people that stood by me. Me. Alright, and anyway, especially if it's one friend that you, there's a lot of people that I know.
No, you're not supposed to drink.
It's just, it depends. Girl, look at all that grease.
All that sauce.
Listen,
Got too much sauce.
sometimes it do work, sometimes it don't.
Yeah,
I watch a lot of love movies, so I don't know if that stuff true, but a lot of stuff can happen. Excuse me.
Ew.
Nothing came out my mouth.
I understand that. It just came out of nowhere.
Cause you
Like,
stay your
but comment down below if y'all want some more homemade mukbang because we don't want to be spending $150.
We? Who is we?
I mean,
Cakeman don't want to. Who is we?
Wait, that's cost $150.
What was I spending? Nothing.
no, I was just being dramatic, y'all. We don't want to spend like $50
Like
on no
$30.
food, no nothing. So
We could just make us
We can go
homemade McDonald's.
25, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Or we could go
Ain't nobody got that
1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
5. Or we can do. Let's see how much Courtney would have.
Courtney had like
Courtney had like $5.
25 cents.
$5.25. Person had probably like $15 in cash and then like $5 in quarters. And Karen had like $30. Just spend half of it on snacks.
Wait, no, let's not talk about snacks. Wait, let's not talk about snacks, Caitlin.
We can
You the big snack. Y'all want some snack? Y'all go on Caitlin first. Y'all found the whole grocery store.
Caitlin, she could be the hookup. She could be the plug for snacks.
True.
I'm gonna be the plug. Y'all broke. Who I'm gonna sell it to? No, I'm telling you, like for somebody who actually got money. Like
I'm never broke.
Go get me some snacks. I got the plug.
The least amount of money I ever had to my name is a penny. I'm never broke. So, penny is money. So,
Hey, mama the solid to all Karen locks.
wait, the least amount of money that I ever had. Okay, when I was younger, but now I'm never broke.
No, but
You know how long $30 lasted me?
what you buy with a penny? No, but my 25 cents. My 25
That's
cents.
still money.
And my little cents, they can make a whole $10. Let me tell you, baby. Ooh, they come in handy.
Push your stood up. I'm going to my phone.
Ah.
I saved my like Train said.
And this I got more. I'm not gonna go there. But
I can get money in this house. I won't. Hello.
that sound very spoiled.
Yeah, very spoiled.
Please don't say it like that, because it seems like you rich or something.
I was just playing. I can't get money in that time I won't.
What?
I can't. Okay, that's what I was just playing.
You said that's in the store wrong.
What?
I don't know. I
said I can't get money in the time.
Oh, I thought you said I can't get
No.
money anytime.
Oh, y'all, I'm good.
At
I'm
first I
full.
said that, but at 6 hours.
I'm so full, y'all.
Then why you still eating?
Because you trying to finish the little bits that you got on that plate. The little bits.
Yo, excuse my shirt. I eat messy. So, you know, please don't judge me. Please. Please don't.
Whoever got these floors, they don't have to.
Well, so y'all, here, this was a long video
I got the bathroom.
that we did for y'all.
Long blue video. I was in, y'all. Okay, I just want to give. Like, okay, I'm really starting to get into like ghost stories or like paranormal stories or like like these different types of people telling stories off the true things that happen. And a lot of them are very interesting. I know one person that I watch a lot is this girl. Her name is let me tell you something. Her name is Haley Reese, and she be like telling like all these kind of like supernatural, I don't know what to call it, but it's like paranormal experiences that she had in her life. And it's really interesting. Like if you actually into that, I mean, earlier today I was home alone. Like before they came back, so I was home alone for a little minute. And I was kind of freaked out watching over my shoulder, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all talking while I'm talking, and I'm about to flash out.
What the video?
I said y'all talking while I'm talking, and I'm about to flash out.
You spit
And you break your neck, you know, be a paranormal story.
And I'm show night Misha.
Oh, Michelle ain't gonna get up on you.
Shut up.
Listen, y'all, she like watching that story.
No, I don't. When
Yeah.
was the last time I watched it?
Because we don't got to record it no more.
It's just interesting.
Serious. When Dre be beating her, she be telling everybody be quiet. She be like, be quiet.
No, it's just some of the parts that just be funny. I mean, not funny. I mean, it's not funny. Shut up.
She be like, Dre.
What?
That's how she be.
No, what we used to always do.
Misha,
No, we used to always say something.
I feel like she should have got with Easy.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
Easy was.
Why not, Misha? Easy eat.
Easy, I'm just saying, he was just like, out of all of them, I would just.
He was the cutest.
He was, but he was the nastiest. Anyway, stand up. Y'all, Caitlin was standing up.
Ice Cube was cute too.
I don't know how many times. Listen, Caitlin stood up and she spit all over me.
what you looking at my phone for?
Waitress, we need some more food.
You need some more food.
They got me hooked on.
If this took a fail, you'd have been licking it up.
Well,
Yo, Caitlin said if one of the kids at the little thing, she was acting like she was a school teacher. She said if one of the kids throw up, she said she was gonna make them look it up. And then, Caitlin, let's do that little thing. Let's do that little thing.
Man, I'm doing something right quick. Hold up.
Man, you always worried about Kendrick. I love you, Kendrick, but she just. Why are you so
upset?
Girl, I want to know. It's telling that you and everybody know.
Everybody know.
Hey, looking for a dude that you couldn't impress. Last man on the earth still couldn't get this. You're delusional, but you wasting your mind.
You confusing,
But you wasting your time. Hey, get hit by a bus. Train.
Crack it. I'm about to crack it, Bobby. Crack it. Hold on. Picture about us. Every time.
That sounds stupid.
Well, listen.
You don't care about us.
Every time we
Shut up, Billy.
we could.
Oh, Billy. They call me Billy.
They call me Billy. They call me Billy.
I love you, Billy.
They call me Billy.
Anyway, like I was saying, Cardi said, "Shut up, Billy." I'm dead. Like I'm so sleepy.
That's lame, but it's funny.
It's funny. No, like I was saying, Courtney, I was talking about Billy.
That's not his real name.
No, DJ Kelly. I love you, Billy. Listen. Okay, so Kendrick, I love you like I was saying before Courtney said. Kendrick, I love you, but why every time you text her, she could be talking to us, I could be dying. And she was, I could be crying, and she'd be on the phone with Kendrick and be like, and she gonna ask you what's wrong, and then she gonna be like, I didn't ask you what's wrong.
No, I say, why she crying? I wasn't trying to say, what's wrong with you, Cameron? I say, why she crying?
And I tried to tell her, she was like, I really don't care.
I did not say that.
Yes, you did, Kendrick. Yes, you did. And then,
okay, because you crying. No,
I was crying over something serious because somebody broke my heart.
Yo, guess what?
Anyway, girl, listen. I could be down on the floor, and Kendrick could catch me like, ooh. That's what she be doing.
I'm telling you, today I learned the Chris Brown dance. Like, I know you ain't gonna rise on me. No, he did something like, I know you ain't gonna make it to my bed.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is a long video, and I have crazy sisters. We all crazy. But I feel like 2019 is out.
Okay, K-Man, we get it. I need something to drink.
I feel like 2019 is our year, and
Crystal!
I still got stuff in here.
and 2019 is gonna be our year, right, y'all?
Oh, yeah.
Even though we have school and school is coming up, but that won't stop
Baby,
us, right?
you know what's about to do for school?
Yeah.
I'm telling y'all, we gonna go vlogging. Oh, I hope we can vlog with a field trip.
Oh, girl.
I'm gonna be in the club.
I'm being in the clubs too, but
And I'm gonna be in chorus, so look out, y'all. I'm gonna have my... Huh?
like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.
Peace.
I wasn't even done talking and I'm tired. Like,
Don't forget, it's K-Click
Or no click.
get out your phone.
Pieces, KeKe.
Pieces K-Click.
Oh, I'm fat.
Like, not one of them drip trying to tell my business.
Bye,
I
guys.
know you ain't gonna make it to my